Another high Capa video here for you guys. So for today's episode, we're gonna install a hammer protection pad from Infinity Customs. What I have here is a screw para ma-install natin and ma-secure yung hammer protection pad. And then right here, teka lang, hirap niya kunin, is the aluminum hammer protection pad itself. It's silver as you can see and meron siyang logo ng Infinity Custom, no? Yan. Super simple lang tong upgrade na to. However, it will help you prolong your inner chassis in the long run. I'll show you later how. So yeah, let's go ahead and disassemble muna the upper part ng pistol. Need to press down this slide release pin. Let's make sure to align it dito sa second notch nung slide, no? After that, press it down and then gently pull it out like so. Okay. And then from there, just push the slide forward hanggang ma-disassemble mo na yung upper part ng pistol. Like this. Release the hammer and then disassemble then the outer barrel ng pistol. Madali lang din naman for the flatline. That's it. So here's what it looks like pag wala pa yung hammer protection pad. And then ito kasing hammer na to guys, as you can see, medyo naka-tilt forward siya, no? Ang objective ng hammer protection pad is to make this hammer positioned straight. Kasi kung hindi, tumatama tong hammer dun sa inner chassis ng pistol. Diba? So kung paulit-ulit mo siyang syempre i-fire, yun ang mangyayari. So all we have to do is to unscrew this Allen screw. Madali lang din siyang tanggalin, isang screw lang yan, and then after that you'll be able to put down the hammer protection pad, and then you'll be using the included screw kasi you'll be needing a longer screw kasi di ba ine-extend mo kumbaga yung distance nung hammer from the inner chassis, hence you need this hammer protection pad. There you go. So after sliding the hammer protection pad, ready ka na, no, to put down the screw that's included in the package. It's up to you if you wanna put Loctite dun sa tip, but for me, hindi naman na siya kailangan super, no, kasi hammer lang naman yung pumapalo dito, and yes, it's a moving parts, pero makikita mo rin naman kung lumuluwag yung screw. But if I were you, i-tighten mo lang siya ng hindi naman sobrang luwag at hindi rin sobrang higpit. Sakto lang, kumbaga, no? Like this. There. Inspect muna natin kung maganda yung alignment niya and super lapat ba talaga siya. And so far, yes, aligned din naman siya and maganda yung lapat niya, no? May bronze din na available na color nito. Now let's put back the slide and then test natin to later on. Once again guys, this upgrade is intended for you to preserve your inner chassis, no? So it's up to you if you want to do it or not, but prevention is better than cure, so might as well, right? Links where you can purchase this item will be included in the description below. Hopefully this short video was able to help you guys. If it did, please feel free to like and comment down below if you have questions, no? And share na rin to your friends and family members who's into airsoft. Once again, this is Jigs from Solid Snake Gaming. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day ahead. See ya!